In many ways, yoga has made a very meaningful and powerful impact in modern society. So we want to look at the history and the philosophy of yoga. What is actually ancient about yoga and what is modern about yoga. And we want to give you the tools you need to create a lifelong, sustainable, pain-free practice. Hi, I'm Andrew Epler, and I want to talk about our 200-hour intensive training coming up at Ashtanga Yoga Studio. We will start with a 4-day intensive, and I'm very excited about our training this year. It's been an evolving process over the last 7 or 8 years now. And first and foremost, our training is a deep dive into yoga itself. We're not able to teach anything unless we've fully experienced it ourselves. And the reality is we're all students. I'm a student, you're a student. Some of us have been doing it longer than others, so of course I can share my experience with you. Nothing more. And first of all, we teach asanas, yoga postures, all aspects of them, how they can be safely practiced, how they can be modified, how they can be intensified, what is the meaning of vinyasa, and the Ashtanga vinyasa system, how to practice yoga postures in a dynamic, integrated, concentrated way with breath, and as well, how to heal your body, and how to stabilize your body so that this form of practice is actually safe and applicable for us. So, we start with yoga postures, then we look at pranayama meditation and the internal aspects of yoga. We want to study the history and philosophy of yoga and get a well-rounded view of what yoga actually means and what sets it apart from other disciplines, other forms of exercise, and other forms of philosophy. We want to send you away with an accurate, full memorization of the Ashtanga sequences. We want to send you away with a clear understanding of what yoga means and its history and philosophy. And then a toolkit of healing methods from all over the world which can address imbalances in your body as well as those of other people. We want to give you a fundamental understanding of the markers for imbalance, how to look at a person, whether it's your own body or someone else's, and say, oh, you're sort of twisted this way. And from that information, we can actually devise a system or a series of movements by which the individual, whether it's ourselves or another person, can begin to undo the tension patterns and imbalances in the body as we practice our yoga. So it's going to be an in-depth exploration of yoga. We're really looking forward to sharing it with you. And if you have any questions, have a look at ashtangyogastudio.com.